Now, if you've always wanted to go to prison without actually going to prison, or if you always wanted to go to jail without actually going to jail, this is the best effect for you. Now, why I'm saying this is because this turns your normal everyday picture into a mugshot um via video. So all you have to do is to create something like this is to select the Higgsfield.ai, go to Higgsfield.ai, then select apps. After signing, scroll and choose the mugshot effect, and then you'll be brought to a page like this where all you have to do to create a video like this is to upload your image. Scroll and choose video, click on video. This, it says here beneath the generate video button, is that your request will cost about 16 credits, and this is easily affordable because Higgsfield AI already gives you about 30 free credits or more once you sign up for free using on their website. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day. If you have any question, please comment below, and I'll get to it. Also, please subscribe to our channel as we're actively trying to reach and push past 5,000 subscribers. Thank you, and do have a great day, guys.